Welcome to uCertify Cisco CCNA Cyber Ops SECFND Must Know Glossary Terms Part 3. Term: Flow Collector. Definition: a device that collects, processes, and stores net flow records from infrastructure devices. Term: Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. Definition: protects healthcare-related data being transferred in digital form. This is the focus of the HIPAA security rules. Term: Incident Response. Definition: the process and tools defenders use to respond to a cybersecurity incident. Term: Installation. Definition: in terms of the kill chain, installation is what is delivered by a successful exploitation. Examples might be ransomware and remote access tools. Term: Integrity. Definition: integrity is the second component of the CIA triad. It is very important that systems and the data they maintain be accurate, complete, and protected from unauthorized modification. Integrity protection encompasses more than just data. It not only protects data, but also operating systems, applications, and hardware from being altered by unauthorized individuals. Term: IP fix. Definition: an industry flow-based standard that's based on NetFlow v9. Term: journaling. Definition: a journaling file system maintains a record of changes not yet committed to the file system's main part. This data structure is referred to as a journal, which is a circular log. One of the main features of a file system that supports journaling is that if the system crashes or experiences a power failure, it can be restored back online a lot quicker while also avoiding system corruption. Term: latency. Definition: factors that slow down traffic performance. Term: least privilege. Definition: to provision the absolute least amount of access rights required to perform a job. Term: listening port. Definition: a port held open by a running application in order to accept inbound connections. Term: master boot record. Definition: the master boot record, MBR, is the first sector, 512 bytes, of the hard drive. It contains the boot code and information about the hard drive itself. The MBR contains the partition table, which includes information about the partition structure in the hard disk drive. The MBR can tell where each partition starts, its size, and the type of partition. Term: metadata. Definition: data about data, such as who created a file and the last time it was opened. Term: national CSIRT and certs. Definition: numerous countries have their own computer emergency response or readiness teams. These national certs and CSIRTs aim to protect their citizens by providing security vulnerability information, security awareness training, best practices, and other information. Term: network address translation, or NAT. Definition: a method for remapping one IP address space into another by modifying network address information. Term: network baseline. Definition: normal network throughput levels. Term: NTFS. Definition: NTFS is the default file system in Microsoft Windows since Windows NT, and it is a more secure, scalable, and advanced file system when compared to FAT. NTFS has several components. The boot sector is the first sector in the partition, and it contains information about the file system itself, such as start code, sector size, cluster size and sectors, and the number of reserved sectors. The file system area contains many files, including the master file table, MFT, which includes metadata of the files and directories in the partition. The data area holds the actual contents of the files, and it is divided into clusters with a size assigned during formatting and recorded in the boot sector. Term: Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. Definition: program designed to protect the customer cardholder data when it's processed, stored, or transmitted. PCI DSS is required for any merchant, processor, acquirer, issuer, or service provider that handles payment card processing, along with outsourced or third parties involved with payment card processing. Term: port scanner. Definition: probes a host system running TCP/IP to determine which TCP and UDP ports are open and listening. Term: PSIRT. Definition: software and hardware vendors may have separate teams that handle the investigation, resolution, and disclosure of security vulnerabilities in their products and services. Typically, these teams are called Product Security Incident Response Teams, PSIRT. Term: Public Company Accounting Oversight Board, PCAOB. Definition: develops auditing standards and trains auditors on best practices for assessing a company's internal controls. Term: Quality of Service, QoS. Definition: tools designed to define different priority levels for applications, users, or data flows, with the goal of guaranteeing a certain level of performance to that data. Term: reconnaissance. Definition: research on a target, such as available network ports, data on social media sources, learning about people at an organization, and so on. Term: regular expression. Definition: a regular expression, sometimes referred to as regex, is a text string for describing a search pattern. Term: Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002, SOX. Definition: forces any publicly held company to have internal controls and procedures for financial reporting to avoid future corporate fraud. Term: security event. Definition: an event is any observable occurrence in a system or network. Events include a user connecting to a file share, a server receiving a request for a web page, a user sending email, and a firewall blocking a connection attempt. Adverse events are events with a negative consequence, such as system crashes, packet floods, unauthorized use of system privileges, unauthorized access to sensitive data, and execution of malware that destroys data. Term: security incident. Definition: a computer security incident is a violation or imminent threat of violation of computer security policies, acceptable use policies, or standard security practices. Term: session duration. Definition: in network access terms, session duration is the total time a user or device connects to a network and later disconnects from a network. Term: sniffer. Definition: a full packet capture software. Term: standard operating procedure. Definition: a delineation of the specific technical processes, techniques, checklists, and forms used by the incident response team. Term: stream control transmission protocol, SCTP. Definition: protocol used by IPFix that provides a packet transport service designed to support several features beyond TCP and UDP capabilities. Term: stride. Definition: stride stands for spoofing, tampering, repudiation, information disclosure, denial of service, and elevation of privilege. Stride was created by Lauren Kohnfelder and Prerit Garg. It is a framework designed to help software developers identify the types of threats against the applications they are creating. Term: swap space. Definition: extra memory on the hard disk drive or SSD that is an expansion of the system's physical memory. Term: switch port security. Definition: provides a method to limit what devices will be permitted to access and send traffic on individual switch ports within a switched network. Term: true negative. Definition: a true negative is when the intrusion detection device identifies an activity as acceptable behavior, and the activity is actually acceptable. Term: true positive. Definition: a true positive is a successful identification of a security attack or a malicious event. Term: weaponization. Definition: the process of developing and testing how an attack will be executed.